Hello there, this is the train-loving Metal Pedal, back again with another video. Sorry for the low mic quality. I attempted to put in my regular mic, but like my old mic, but it doesn't work, so I have to use the one built in the PC. But today, normally I would have put in a video about the Class 700. I didn't do that, obviously. Because so far I'm not really that satisfied with the results. Don't worry, the video will still come. I might change up some recordings and such. But as a filler video, we're gonna do if I see a train that isn't connect, the video ends. So if I see like an express, waterline, or an airlink train, the video instantly ends. Simple as that. So let's play. We're going to driver roll. And then we're gonna obviously pick connect. Yeah, I don't really have that many trains right now. Let's drive. You know what? Because everybody hates it, let's play Noob Train. And let's do one that has that you can see all operators in. How about Stepford Victoria to Port Benton? Starting at Beachley setting so that we have at least some gameplay right here. Here we go. Playing the Noob Train, playing on the noob route. Okay, I think it's a little bit lagging, but that's fine. So, how has your day been? Must be good, because... Or not, who knows? For all I know, you might be stuck in a hospital. That was bad. But, yeah, what would you like to see make me do on the second channel? Comment your ideas down below. I would appreciate everything. I would appreciate all kind of support. We're now arriving at Financial Quarter. There's another noob train.
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Right now, look at this. Yo! Noob train got stopped on the correct car marker?
This is Financial Quarter. This train is for Stepford Victoria. The next station is Stepford Victoria.
Yes. It literally says it right there. My doors are jammed? Wait, what? Wait, what? SCR, respond. No. Alright, attempt number 2. What should I drive now? Let's drive 707 and let's do Stepford Central to Port Benton. Maybe it wanted me to end the video way earlier. Alright, I think I will be putting down the quality. Oh yeah, park trains don't count because they aren't being driven. Yeah, they don't count. So we're pretty much Free to go. There's a 331, I think. No, that's a 195, I think. What? It's a train, alright? So far no trains that could be potentially being express or something. Cause you see a lot of expresses on here. Now they just disappeared. What? But yeah. And a little bit of first person. A little bit of a cab. Alright. Gonna slow down. I don't understand that 75 car marker. I just don't get it. Like, why is it in there? There's a 45 car marker. Why do we need that? But who done? No. Don't tell me. Oh, it was just a good old noob train. Thought we had to end the video, but we've arrived at Stepford Central. Perfect stop.
This is Stepford Central. This train terminates here. All change, please.
Here.
Thank you for travelling with us today.
They're showing trains going to terminate. They're probably like express.
The train now approaching platform 5. Terminates here. This train is the service from Stepford UFC.
Yeah, that was.
The train now standing at
115.